Good morning, class. Our today's topic is a review on Classera. That what we have studied in Classera, we are going to do a review on it. So are we all ready? Okay. Wow. So, can you find the differences in these pictures, class? Let's find the differences in this picture. Come on. 1, 2, 3, start.
So, our learning objectives are to be able to review Classera topics learned, to be able to answer the questions on Classera, to be able to use Classera independently. Classera. What is Classera? Classera provides an interactive learning environment. Classera also supports Arabic language. Yes? Okay. Now, to use Classera, we should have internet connection from Ooredoo or Vodafone, laptop or desktop, browser like Google Chrome. Okay. Now, learning objectives once again, to be able to review Classera topics learned, to be able to answer the questions on Classera, to be able to use Classera independently. Now, advantages of Classera. Classera advantages are announcements. We can make announcements on Classera. Then, reduce of papers. We can write exams and quizzes on Classera. Then, Classera also allows communication between parents, teachers, and students. Other than sharing our course materials, we also do communication. Then, the disadvantages of Classera are because it's online, so a strong, stable internet connection is required. And sometimes there are technical issues that may disrupt, but sometimes. Okay. Next, logging into Classera. Now we all know how to log in into Classera. What is the procedure? How? Where do we go? What do we type? In order to log in into Classera, you can search of Classera on Google or directly go to me.classera.com. After typing me.classera.com, you will get a window on what it will ask you your username, your password, and then you will click on login ID. You click on login. Yes? Okay. After logging, the first screen you will see is the home page in front of you. Yes? Okay. Home page is, what is a home page? Home page is the first screen that comes in front of you. It's the first screen of any website. Okay? Now, on Classera homepage, what we see is the first bar on the Classera is the upper bar. In upper bar, what things we have? What is this? Your info. Edit profile, public profile, language, change into Arabic or English and log out. At the top, on the upper bar, you can view your profile. You can edit your profile. You can change your display picture at the upper bar. Then, mail notifications. We have mail notifications or messages notifications. Next, notifications. These three things are on the upper bar of Classera. Then, main menu. Main menu is on the side of the Classera, and what we can see on main menu? What is it? Yes, home. What is this? Course materials, mailbox, attendance, calendar. There are many other things we can see on the side menu, but I am briefing you few things we can see on the main menu. Clear? Okay. Next, announcements. After the upper bar, then the main menu, the third bar is on the home page is the announcements. Announcements is the list of ads and the announcements to be made in Classera. Next, after announcements, what we have? Main page. We can see, what is this? Is it exams? Yes, it's exams. What is this? Assignments. Yes. Course materials. Yes. Video lectures. Mailbox. There are again many things you can see on main page, but I have just briefed out the main things that we can see on main page. Clear? Okay. Now, how you are going to view your courses? When you are going to check your courses, how you are going to view your courses? On the side menu, there is a word called courses. Under the word home, there is called courses. Okay, when you will click on courses, it will show you down all courses and your subject name. So you'll click on all courses. When you will click on all courses, it will show you the all your subjects names. Clear? Browse course materials and video lectures. How are we going to browse course materials and video lectures? Now, after clicking on all courses, it will show me different subjects: maths, ICT, Arabic, French, science, PSHE, Islamic, all subject names. Now, I will choose what subject I want to work on first. For example, I'll click on English. When I'll click on English, it will ask me what you want to see in English. Browse content, course material, video lectures, exams, what I need to do. For example, I'll click on course materials. It will open for me this window. Okay, in course materials, what thing you are going to view first? Clear? The same way, if you want to see the video lectures of English, you'll click on video lectures. It will show you the list that what topic you are going to see in English, what video lecture you're going to see in English. Clear? Okay. Solving exams, quizzes on Classera. Now, we all know that we can write exams and quizzes on Classera. Yes? Yes. Now, when we open our Classera homepage, there is a portal of exam. Now, you can see that there is a 3 written on it. What is this 3? This 3 means that I have got 3 exams to write. When I'll click on this 3 number, it will show me this, that you have 3 different tests, exams, maths, science, and all this. So it's on me that what exam I am going to start writing first. When I'll click on this, any one of this exam, it will open for me my exam. Clear? It will open for me my exam. Next, after we are done writing our exam, we'll click on submit, and then it will show us our grade report. Clear? Okay. Now, we all know that we can send messages also in Classera. On the upper bar of the home page, you can see the notifications of new message. You can see your messages there itself. You can see and open the messages from there itself on the upper bar of the Classera. Now, if you have to send a message to the users, how are you going to send? From the side menu, choose mailbox. After choosing the mailbox, click on compose message. Click on compose message. Compose message is that you will need to write a message. Then it will open you this window. Here you can see that I can find a subject, that what is the subject to whom you are going to send a message. Then priority, is it urgent or normal? 2, you will write here the receiver name, and then you will write the message. If you have any attachment, you will click at the top attachment and you will attach any file, and then you will click on send. If you do not have any attachment, you will just click on send. Attachments are not necessary every time you send a mail. Okay? Clear? Okay. Now, we have an activity. We have an activity. Number 1, open Classera. Number 2, log in your user ID and password. Number 3, click on courses, show all courses. Number 4, click on online assignment. Number 5, go to mailbox and click on compose mail and send your teacher a message of hello with high priority. Clear? Okay. Now, after this activity, we have an assignment. Go to online assignment, click on ICT assignment, start your assignment, submit after you are done. Am I clear? Okay. Now, who can summarize that what did we study today? We did a review on Classera. Yes, we reviewed on how to log in into Classera, password, user ID. We reviewed what is Classera, what languages are supported in Classera, then the home page, what things we can see on home page. If I need to view my courses, where I'm going to click, video lectures, where am I going to click, how am I going to send a mail, how am I going to check my mails, exams and quizzes, how am I going to start doing my exams and quizzes on Classera. Yes. Now, if you have any questions on this, please feel free to ask me. Okay, please. Thank you so much.